Yeah, this that freaking nature. By yours well known as K Breeze, you dig? So sit back and just chill on this, you dig? Yeah. It's that all black and something. Duck is she frontin', I see it in her eyes. Yeah, she down for being hunted. I rarely hunt, but when I do, it's mind over matter. Yeah, and you the one I'm wanting, so I throw my bait at you. And then them legs scatter like I pushed a button or something. She's 22 and stuntin'. She say she's new to nothing. Since she met me, I put the sticks to her like it is nothing. Now her man is missing something. That's Tuesday. She claims she go two ways. She bad groupies and loose chains. That's lanes that act strange when she entertain on new things. One being me, we kick it like Liu Kang and she Katana. When she hit the room, she down for change, just like Obama. She got that suicide bomber head, man. Shouts out to Osama. She probably got it from her mama bear, who was getting niggas off and rocking chairs, body rocking the boots loose to the roots. Like who cares? Make it two pairs. She barely like the share. Damn, if it ain't for broke niggas, go figure. She got that freak of nature already in her, so she's a sinner. Yeah, but I'm a big winner. She do it for the fame. They call her Mary Jane. By day they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Oh yeah, they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Who cares? They call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. I know that she got that. Go ahead and call her freak of nature. Oh yeah. So on to the freak I don't share. Can't call her a bitch, so call her a creature. Why? She was a school teacher with extreme features that could eat you up and spit you out in one feed, bruh. Sucky breast and diva. A devil in Prada, Gucci, Louis the 13. She was bad at 13. Reached the doghood, now she deserving the queen of thrones. If she real, she leave you stone. No, can't crotch, but leave you gone and in the zone. She got that bonfire that don't probably expire till I dry her out. Chances are I tie her out. Then she reside in mouth, that's what she about. And that was word of mouth. Don't know what you heard about me, but I take bras from across seas or from the Alps on skis. Thick as hell was Alicia Keys. Nikki, the chick of your dreams, the one that you be with. First name Vicky, but her secrets, yeah, she keep them on the low at any time of day. And that's my kind of day, cause she can make it rain like any kind of She said she going if it ain't for broke niggas. Go figure. She got that freak of nature already in her, so she's a sinner. Yeah, but I'm a big winner. She do it for the fame. They call her Mary Jane. By day they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Oh yeah, they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Who cares? They call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. I know that she got that. Go ahead and call her freak of nature. Oh yeah. So on to how I go and as I please. I tell you, peep the steers. I got it from them OGs who ain't blow no sour D's, but that rocket power seed. Work hard, meant to get it like you don't even breathe. Yo, break a bra to her knees. Provide the Krispy Kreme and she'll be all wet in her dreams. So boost her self-esteem. Yeah, treat her like a queen. Get caught up in them right things just in case you seem like your life clean. With my addiction, nice things and piping. All the right queens with them tights on and a team full of them options. See, truthfully, I'm a python. I'm single, so I use rights on them as I like the topic. I assure her like I'm State Farm, so the chase is on. Truth is, I like Latins, but like Asians. White girls are so amazing. My black dogs ain't basic. I done fucked over the world with my placement to show you I ain't racist. If you stuck in one culture, dog, that shit basic. And because I'm a freak of nature, they should call me K-Man. She say she going if it ain't for broke niggas. Go figure. She got that freak of nature already in her, so she's a sinner. Yeah, but I'm a big winner. She do it for the fame. They call her Mary Jane. By day they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Oh yeah, they call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. Who cares? They call her freak of nature. Call her freak of nature. I know that she got that. Go ahead and call her freak of nature. Oh yeah.